All right, this is the AP Statistics 2015 exam, which is question 4. It's going to test the chi-square test. So you have a president of a large bank, and you're interested in quality of customer service, and they're measuring this by the length that they had to wait in line, so waiting time. The bank decided the acceptable probabilities of waiting are these. So there's a 30% chance of waiting under a minute, and there's a 10% chance of waiting more than 10 minutes. So these are your expected wait times. And in order to investigate, you're going to look at a sample of 100 customers and their waiting time, and you have the observed waiting time. So you can probably just convert these. So that's like 25% are waiting less than a minute, 13% are waiting more than 10 minutes. So these are your expected, whereas here you visit a branch, look at 100 people, this is your observed. So in using a sample, conduct the statistical test to see if the waiting time is inconsistent from the accepted probabilities. So step 1, let's state our null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is the observed wait matches expected wait, matches expected wait time. And the alternative is does not match. So the does not match. And 2, you want to mention this is like a chi-square test, which is used for categorical variables. And chi-square test is essentially chi-squared is the summation of observed minus expected square divided by expected. So step 3, let's actually calculate it. So chi-squared observed, so we observed the 25. And what did you expect? You expect 30. That is squared divided by your expected, which is 30. So next one, what did you observe? You observed 21. You expected 25. That's squared divided by what did you expect? You expected 25. So continue with this for all 5 categories, and you're going to get up something equal to 4.09. And this has 4 degrees of freedom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has degrees of freedom is equal to number of comparisons minus 1. So you're going to have 4 degrees of freedom. And then you're going to look up this table, looking at your chi-square value with 4 degrees of freedom, and you're going to see that the p-value in that table is equal to 0.39. So what does that conclude? Since this is more than 0.05, p-val of 0.39 is greater than 0.05, so fail to reject the null hypothesis, which means in line with expected. In line with expectations.